Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having Chrysler 300. And if you need to find the fuses for the radiator fans, stay with us. We'll explain where the fuses are located, how to get to them, how to replace them, how to test fuses, and we'll explain why it's super important to test them. If your radiator fan is still not working after checking the fuses, we'll explain what else you need to check. Make sure to stay until the end. We'll cover very helpful information that can save you quite a bit of time and money. So before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart and we show you how to fix pretty much anything. Why we guys do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. We will have multiple videos on Chrysler 300. We'll be taking them apart. We'll make videos about almost everything you can think of, including mechanical, electrical. You can check our channels for more information as well. And if you need to guys buy any parts tools for a good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from. You can save quite a bit of money. You can find all kind of parts, tools, relays, anything will be listed there. So specifically we have a Chrysler 300 3.6 engine right here. This is the 3.6 VVT, which is known as a Pentastar, but even if you have a different engine, the procedure will be about the same. Fuses that you will need to check guys will be in this fuse box right here. How do you open? One notch here, squish, pull up, just like that, flip on the side. Now, the first fuse guys that you will need to check for the radiator fan. We're talking, okay, about fuse number 2, which will be actually the first fuse right here from left to right, the first row. This is a 40mm fuse in our case. This is a radiator fan fuse guys. You need to check this fuse for sure. Now you guys have another one that you may have, and that will be fuse that's mostly for the V8, will be actually fuse number guys 8. You may have that fuse here as well. Another fuse that you may have, okay, most likely will be that fuse right here. So these two fuses, okay, you will have, and one more that we showed. Now some models, the V8s, may have these two as well, so you need to check that. Now you will have two more fuses guys that are known as radiator fan relay fuses, and these fuses are located, okay, we're talking about fuse number 37, talking about that fuse right here, 1, 2, 3, third one from right to left in that row, and fuse number 39, which is that fuse right here. All these are for the radiator fan. Now if radiator fan guys still does not work, we have a special video that explains why radiator fan does not work on Chrysler 300, and it will teach you how to fix that. Something else, if you want to see how to test the fuse or relay, we'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to do that. Because if you sometimes you cannot tell that the fuse is burned, and you may think it's okay, you push it back in and your problem is still there, you spend time and money to fix it, okay, that's just not smart guys. Always test them, and we'll put a link to a video that will teach you how to test fuses and relays in just a few seconds. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.